Are you ready to take your skill to the next level? Introducing our exclusive 3 months Masterclass program, designed to immerse you in the world trending technologies. Get ready to dive into the exciting realms of AI, machine learning, deep learning, data science, and React.js development in software. In today's fast-paced world, staying ahead of the curves is most essential. So our Masterclass program offers you a unique opportunity to learn from the industry expert and gaining the comprehensive knowledge in the most demanded technologies in current scenario. We carefully crafted in a curriculum that covers all the aspects in cutting-edge field. We believe that the learning should be interactive and immersive experience. That is why our Masterclass designed and includes the live coding session and grouping projects and practical exercise. And you will have the ample opportunity to apply your newfound knowledge and learn it with the fellow learners and also reinforce your skill to the real world scenario. As a participant in our Masterclass program, you will enjoy the range of the premier benefits and you can get the access of libraries learning resources like ebook, video tutorial and coding repository. You need extra guidance, our mentor will be there to support you in an easier way. And don't forget about the network. You can connect with us like-minded individuals and also the industrial professional, opening doors to the exciting career opportunities. As a part of our program, you will have a chance to work with the real world project and your knowledge can be applied into your practical. And the hands-on practice will help to added value, will help to giving you confidence. And that will be impress your employers and also the clients. Are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Enroll in our 3 months Masterclass program today and unlock the door to the world of endless possibilities. Secure your spot now. Masterclass program, empowering you to shape the future.